right, here we have a Tangle tutorial for icanthis. And this is a, a type of leaf, and a lot of times you see it in architectural type things. Sometimes you'll see it in tapestries, old furniture, and it just starts out with the base of a stem, some veins that come off the stem. You can put any shape top on it that you'd like, and then you add these little C or U shapes in kind of like these little corners, and then you just do a really shaky line and connect them all. And you can really make the size of this change and alter however you like it. It comes out different every way I do it. Every time I do it, it looks different. So take your time, have fun with this. I do like to weight it a lot and shade it quite a bit. And in the future here, I'll be inking a lot of them. So here you go. I really enjoyed this. I do like to show it sometimes without light directly on it so you can see the shading. Have a great day.